जेई 2023 में आया हुआ है क्वेश्चन। हीट कैपेसिटी की डेफिनेशन बोलो पहले, व्हाट इज हीट कैपेसिटी? CV equal to Q over delta T, because it is at constant volume. When a 60 watt electric heater is immersed in a gas for 100 seconds in a constant volume container with adiabatic walls, means walls are adiabatic, so no heat is supplied from outside or released to outside. Whatever heat is given by this electric heater, that is absorbed by water, by gas. So temperature of the gas rises by 5 degree. Q from outside inside means there is no exchange of heat. समझे बात को? हीट एक्सचेंज नहीं होगी बिटवीन द सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग. Heat exchanged is zero, but whatever heat is given by this heater, that is stored inside the container only, that is not given out, right? So total heat absorbed is 60. What is power? 60 watt is power, na? Heat upon time. So Q is energy upon time. Energy जूल पर सेकेंड होता है ना. Watt means joule per second. So Q is 60 joule per second into 100 second. So heat absorbed is heat released by the electric heater, that is 6000 joule, and that will increase the temperature by 5 degrees Celsius. So delta T is 5 degrees Celsius or equal to 5 Kelvin, because change in, so CV becomes 6000 by 5. So value is 1200 joule per Kelvin. So this is the heat capacity at constant volume. कैसे किया समझ में आया?